Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Okay. Today's video, we are going to go over this half up, half down look, y'all. It has been my jam for the last little while. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the fact that it's big, but it's still off your face, and I have been having the best time ever. So if you follow me on IG, then you've been seeing me kill this look of late. So if you're interested in finding out how I achieve this look and how you can too, honey, then keep watching. Okay, y'all, secrets. This is a lace front wig from the Untamed collection, which is my hair collection in Koko Kinks. So you can see she real nappy like our real hair. And I actually put her in a half up, half down, y'all. And I've left it in the half up, half down for a little while. Makes it a lot easier to take on and off, so you're not dividing her. And you don't have to necessarily keep it attached to your head if you're like me and like to sleep without your wigging. Okay. So I take my Koko Kinks wig, I throw her on. And as you can see, I've got my nice two big sections of leave out in the front that at night I usually put into two chunky twists. So as you can see, that's my leave out section at the front. Then I take this Cantu edge control. This is the one I've been using lately. I've actually thoroughly enjoyed it. It does the job quite well. So I go and I apply that quite generously, y'all, against the front of my hair. So all of my leave out. Then I take my hard brush, work that in just like you would if you're putting your own hair up into a half up, half down. And to tie this up, we're actually be using the same band material that we use on the inside of the wig. So I'm just going to separate the hair now, kind of grab my leave out mixed with my pre-made ponytail of the wig, kind of separate it out there, gather everything together, and then we're going to take the band and we're going to tie it over front. Is that the best way to say it? Yes. Tie it over front, flip the head forward, and we're going to make a little knot, a little bow with the two ends underneath the pre-made ponytail. And this way we're attaching our hair and the wig hair all in one. So once it's attached, I kind of pull my hair through just to kind of make it a little bit tighter, a little more secure. Then I use the Got2b black gel and just a little bit of this. And I'm going to kind of glaze it over the edge here, over the top layer, and brush it in. And then I'm going to use my bobby pin to kind of secure that and make my ponytail a little bit smoother. And I'm going to be creating an X. I've showed you guys this before in the past. You take two bobby pins and you create a little X with them. That's how your bobby pins actually work. That's how they stay in, and that's how they lock in and are secure and will keep your hair or your kinks nice and smooth. So after that's all smoothed out, we're going to take the little flaps on the side, we're going to tuck them under and like secure them with a bobby pin on both sides. So just that little flap, flip it over, and you're not boring a hole through the lace, you're just putting the bobby pin over top of the lace and in through your hair. So wig is still intact. Okay, we're coming together here. Now we're going to take the yellow one because I'm weird. And I like using the yellow one on my baby hair. I don't know what it is, but I prefer using the yellow Got2b gel to lay my baby hairs. Maybe it's the fact that it's a little more tacky and I feel like it just molds it a lot quicker than the black one. And after the baby hair, can't forget the little sideburns. You know I love me some good up sideburns. Comment below if you a sideburn queen too. Then we're going to take our tie head, fold her up, lock and load it, because no style is locked and loaded without a little tie head set. And while that's drying, I take my Shea Moisture from that coconut line that they have that's incredible, and I spray her all around, give her a little refresh, get the kinks popping. And I just love using this to refresh curls and kinks, all of it, because it smells amazing and it does a job. Lightweight. So we're going to put on a lip, our hairline's cooked, honey, okay? All right, guys, that is all for today. I really hope you found this video helpful. I've been loving this half up, half down look. It's been everything for me this summer. So I hope you guys go out and give it a try and go into the description box below to get you some Koko Kinks, okay? Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.